Hi, friends. I hope you're doing well. Today's painting is a super quick and loose sketch of a beautiful house. I didn't have any name or information about the photographer of the reference photo, so unfortunately, I couldn't share that with you. The main thing about this sketch is that I drew it really fast and freely, so it doesn't look exactly like the reference. I took my own interpretation of it. I even removed a lot of details and elements to make the painting cleaner. And on top of that, I added a tree on the left side of the picture that wasn't in the reference. Honestly, I love sketching this way. It feels free and relaxed. For the shadows, I could have gone with a complementary color like ultramarine, which would work really well with a yellow house. But instead, I used a lighter wash of cadmium orange, which is more of an analogous color. The difference is that complementary colors usually give you a more realistic look in the shadows, while analogous colors make the painting feel brighter and more playful. I know this because I actually tried both ways. So, yeah, that's it. Our painting is finished. Thank you so much for sticking with me and watching until the end. If you enjoyed it, I'd be really happy if you subscribed to my channel, gave it a like, and left a comment. Your feedback means a lot to me. Wishing you all creativity and success in whatever you do.